Hello Tikkies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about UI element in MS Power Automate desktop. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. One small request to you Tikkies, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the Flying Automation YouTube channel for further update. So let's get started. Let's discuss first our topic related to UI elements, those we gonna see in this video. So our first topic is what is UI element in MS Power Automate desktop, and second one, benefit of UI element in MS Power Automate desktop, and type of UI element in MS Power Automate desktop. By end of this video, we will see live demo how to create selector with the help of UI element in MS Power Automate desktop. So let's discuss one by one. So our first topic is what is UI element. Here you can see UI elements are useful for automating tasks in MS Power Automate for desktop because they allow you to interact with specific components of applications and web pages without relying on image recognition or absolute coordinates. UI elements have unique identifiers and attributes that make them more robust and reliable for automation. So I hope you understand what is UI automation. Let's move to our next topic, and our next topic is benefit of UI element. With the help of UI element, you can capture UI element from any Windows application, and also you can capture UI elements from any web pages. Edit the selector of a UI element to make it more dynamic, and last, store UI element in the UI element repository of the desktop flow designer. So let's move to our next topic, and our next topic is type of UI element. So there are two types of UI elements in MS Power Automate desktop. First one, desktop UI element, and second one, web UI element. So let's jump to the MS Power Automate desktop and see how we can create selector with the help of UI element. So now I am on MS Power Automate desktop. On the right corner here you can see the UI element icon. Just click on it, and here you can see the functionality to create a selector with the help of add UI element. So let's create a selector and see the functionality. Just click on add UI element, and here you can see the UI element picker is populated. Here you can see the properties. Hover the mouse over the UI element to capture until the frame appears around it. Then press Ctrl and left click to add it here. So just hover here, you can see, and click Ctrl and left click to add a selector for this. Here you can see your selector is created. Just click on here, done, and here you can see your selector is created. And one more thing guys, UI element give us the functionality to edit and rename the created selector. For renaming, just press F2 to rename with meaningful name. Here you can mention as per your requirement like search and click enter. And if you want to edit, you can also edit. Just click on it. Here is the edit function. Just click on edit option, and here you can see selector of UI element, search. Here is the elements, body, div, and here is the attributes, operator, and value. Here you can see your selector that is created by UI element, and here is the functionality to edit. Text editor, just enable, and here you can see the selector. Here you can edit your selector as per your requirement. So this is the way to create a selector with the help of add UI element. I hope you understood how to create selector with the help of UI element in MS Power Automate desktop. In upcoming video, we will see how to launch browsers in MS Power Automate desktop. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.